I've got to vacuum the bed, honey. Okay. It's going to rain tomorrow, so I have to do the laundry, Jack. Your fur is really getting to me. Nothing phases you, does it, Jack? This vacuum is never used on my floors. But, see, it's never touched the floor. It's only ever used on the bed. It's a Mila Red Star. Amazing, amazing vacuum. Paid almost $1,000 for it. I used to use it with a different attachment on the floors, but now that I have central vac, it's only for the bed to get the pussycat fur off. Oops. Yeah, Jack. You're weird. Okay, hang on, Jack. Let's try something. Is that the answer to your fur problem? Hmm? Do it in there. It feels good in there. Jack, you're one in a million, I tell you. Sucking out your brain, Jack. Get ready. There it goes, Jack. Now you don't have a brain. Folks, do not try this at home with your kitty cat. This is a really, really special vacuum. And you can adjust the suction. This is at, see, this is at 1/4 suction. So, you know, don't do this to your kitty cat. Yeah, you want some more. Unless you have a vacuum where you can do that. And by the way, I've never done this before, but I figured Jack wouldn't care. Mr. Mellow. Can I flip you on the other side? Come here. Oop. Can you flip? Oop. Here we go. Enough? Okay, thank you, Jack. Thank you for letting me do that. I really appreciate that. You know, it's like that saying, every single hair you get on a brush, on a cat brush, is one less hair that's in your house. So whatever I got into that vacuum is one less hair that I got on my bed, right, Jackie boy? He says, shut up, woman, let me go to sleep. Okay, Jack, I still have to do that bed. Okay? So what the hell was that? That felt good. Thank you, Jack.